Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain you about web browser. Let's see the definition of web browser. A software application used to access, retrieve and display information on the World Wide Web, acting as an interface between the user and the web server. So what does it mean? So a web browser is a software program. It is used to access information on the World Wide Web. With the help of browsers, we can open website, images, videos and many other files. Whenever we use the internet, we are actually using a web browser. So if we want to access the internet, we must first open a browser. Without a browser, we cannot see any website. It allows us to search for information and view web pages easily. So a browser is necessary to explore the internet. So now let's see the examples of a web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari. These are some of the examples of web browser. Now let's see what it does. Connects to a server, it retrieves web files, display web pages on screen. So when we type a website address, the browser sends a request to a server. The server stores a website file. The server sends the required file back to the browser. The browser then displays the web page on our screen. For example, when you open a website, you are viewing files that are shown using the web browser. So remember this clearly. The internet is a global network. The web browser is a tool that helps us to access website on the network. Without a browser, we cannot use the World Wide Web. So that's all for the basic concept of a web browser. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.